Hi guys, join me today as I make this beautiful triple rose headband. The triple rose on its own can be used as a decorator. It can be used as a brooch with a brooch pin attached. It can be used on your fascinators, your bags, your shoes. It can be used on pretty much any and everything, even on your outfit. So first things first is to attach the 3 roses together, hence the triple rose. I'm gonna leave a link above, below, somewhere, and in the description to show how these roses were made. They're made out of satin ribbon, 4 centimeters width satin ribbon. So all I'm doing right now is joining 2 roses together, and this is done with hot glue and a hot glue gun. Alright guys, please, if you like content related to this or accessory related content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you will get notifications when new videos pop up, new videos like this pop up. Alright, now we're done with attaching our roses together. The next thing would be to attach our string beads or string pearls. I'll leave a link to where I got this in the description box. Same way this first bead was attached is how I would be attaching all 3 beads of same length just to wrap around the roses. Alright, so now that that's done, we'll set it aside and start working on our bow. We're using the metallic organza material and it's 20 centimeters long. That's to tell you that we're making a very small bow as requested by the client. So this is how we will fold it like a ribbon and pass our needle right there through the center. Alright, so now that that's done, the next thing is to make our flat rose, and we're using the same ribbon, same organza ribbon. This time we're not using any particular measurement, we're just going to continually fold until we get our desired rose size. Alright guys, if you like what you've watched so far, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. After making this slanted fold and using your glue to hold it down, we're going to make a right angle fold the first time and then roll. This is to form the center of our rose. Roll from right to the left. Okay, when you're working with this metallic organza, it's quite difficult to use hot glue because the glue just comes right through it and it hurts like crazy. So it will be best to use as little glue as possible. I'm still rolling trying to form the center of the rose and applying lightly the glue to the main work, to the center fold, not to the ribbon resting on my fingers. We're going to continually roll this for a while until we get our desired center length. It depends on the size of your rose. You can make it smaller if you do not want it to be too widespread. If you notice, after we finished rolling to form our center, we started folding outwards. That's basically how the flat rose is made, by folding your ribbon outwards, same way I'm doing right now, folding it outwards. This would give an illusion of the petals, the wider petals, not the inner bud, the petals on the outside. Remember to be careful as you use the hot glue. Can be the material can be quite porous, and you end up having hot glue on your hands, which is very painful. Beauty about the triple rose decorator, I call it decorator now because this video is dedicated to making it into a headband, but you can equally, as I said earlier, attach a brooch pin to it, attach a hair clip as well for grown women, attach a you can attach it to a fascinator. It could be the centerpiece of anything. It could be attached to shoes, it could be attached to bags, and this way it fulfills its role as a beautifier or a decorator, an applique, so to speak. So the more you make this, the more you would find other places and other how useful it is to other accessories. Typically, as you proceed with making your flat rose, you can easily tell when it gets to your desired size, and typically it's most times formed as a pentagon. Right now it's looking at like a square, but as you get to the outer edges of your final outer edges of the rose, you could twist and form it into a pentagon or a hexagon, meaning it should eventually have 5 sides or 6 sides, just to make your work look more beautiful. Alright, now that we're done with that, we can attach our flat rose to the center piece. It will be the center piece of our triple rose, just above where we attached, where all our beaded strings converge. We're just going to apply some hot glue just around the sides. If you attach it on the flower, there's no problem, but there's a higher tendency of your glue passing through the big holes of the organza, of the metallic organza, and touching your hands. So now we're done with that. The next thing is attaching our small bow to the side of this ribbon. I'm just going to place that neatly on the side, after which we would work on attaching our headband to the piece, to the decorator. To remind everyone that the headband length depends on the size of the head of the child that you're making it for. The older the child, the longer the length of headband, elastic headband you would need. After attaching our headband, our elastic headband, we would cover the base of our triple rose with felt material. I have previously cut this material to the shape of the headband, and this is it. After attaching it with glue, you're done. So thanks guys for joining me in making this headpiece. I'm grateful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.